Login failed on CIBC US Fix. You go to log into your CIBC account, maybe to pay a bill, transfer funds, or just check your balance, and suddenly, login failed. It's frustrating, but here's the good news: the fix is usually simple and only takes a few minutes. Let's start with the most common cause: temporary outages. Sometimes, CIBC performs scheduled maintenance or experiences short-term server issues. To check, search CIBC US outage or visit their official website for updates. If it's on their end, it's best to wait a bit. These issues are typically resolved quickly. If there's no outage, check your internet connection. A weak signal or unstable Wi-Fi is one of the most common reasons logins fail. Try switching to mobile data or restarting your router. Next, make sure your CIBC app is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps often can't communicate properly with secure servers. Go to the App Store or Google Play, search for CIBC US, and tap Update if needed. If that doesn't work, clear your app's cache or reinstall it. On Android, go to Settings, select the app and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app for a clean reset. Now, carefully re-enter your login details. Don't rely on saved passwords or autofill. It's easy for old credentials or typos to cause problems. Here's a tip most users overlook: check your device's date and time settings. CIBC uses strict security validation, and if your phone's time isn't set automatically, the system might block your login. Turn on Set Automatically to fix this instantly. Finally, if you're using a FIN, firewall, or ad blocker, disable it temporarily. These tools can interfere with secure connections to CIBC servers. After trying these steps, reopen the app and log in again. In most cases, your access will be restored immediately. So the next time your CIBC US login fails, don't panic. Few quick checks and updates can solve the issue and get you back in control of your finances fast.